So you can see very easily how worn these seats are. They've lived a very long life and are definitely due for some TLC. So that's what we're going to do. If the camera would focus where we want, there we go. The backs are in really good shape, but they're old, they're blue. It's not going to match the interior that I want very well, and our new seat covers hopefully are going to impress. But all the stuff is here for these seats, except for most of the seat bottom. So our first step is going to be to tear them down and refinish each of the pieces. This control is, the salty air I suppose has corroded at that. Refinish these nuts, probably powder coat the frame. The springs are really nice, and all the tabs are still really nice. So let's see what we can do without tearing it up too bad. This is my first attempt at working on a set of seats, so let's hope I don't make too much of a mess. Watched a couple of YouTube videos from Wolfsburg West before starting, so it looked like removing and maybe not losing that nut and the one on the other side is basically all it takes to undo the back, and there is no nut on that side, and by the looks of it there never was one because the threads are brand new and the paint hasn't been removed like that side, so that's interesting. So let's see if we pop that. Oh, there's a washer there not to lose. Let's see if maybe this is what we need to help that come over the edge. It doesn't want to. There it goes. There we are. Hopefully the bottom is released from the back. Oh my. Well, we got it. One seat back removed. And I only mostly destroyed the partially destroyed bottom doing it. Not too bad. So, next I suppose we can begin trying to straighten out these hooks a little bit, saving this wire for the back of the cover, and try to get this cover off. This was the original interior to this car. It had basically only been driven. Not a whole lot of work had ever been done to it. I've had it for 4 years, maybe? Really don't remember. Bought it as a non-running pair of Super Beetles that an older gentleman was selling. And this one was basically an an all original car just sitting under a tarp in his yard that he had had for years, that he had bought from someone in Mississippi. And I have turned it into my toy. One of them. Alright, so I think we've got those straightened out enough. I should be able to pull the cover off. And I believe, whoa, rolly table. I believe mashing down on the spring should make that come right up. Like it's just sitting on there. And now the springs are in really good condition. I wasn't expecting that. They barely have any surface rust on them. He made us some good stuff. Looks like they're just held in by these little tabs. So, got these little tabs going around the edge. Let's try carefully. Pry those open a little. Back to my horrid wide view. Apologies. Gonna keep working my way around the edge.